Okay, hello, I'm Iris from Rich Source Taiwan. We are the manufacturer of the multi-touch screen, and we also provide the whiteboard for. And this whole set is for the E-class solution. And as our touch screen, we got from 55 to up to 98 inches, and this one has built-in Android system. So basically, you can allocate any kind of app you like. It's really good for a teacher to collect the tutorial materials. And this one can also connect with OPS. It's like a Windows Mini PC, and also connect with a laptop or wire or wirelessly. And and there is also a e-board there for teacher to like write notes for the students, and this note can be saved into your USB devices, or you can share with the students via QR code. It can be used in conference solution also. If you like, you can. If you want to know more information, you can visit us website. Thank you.